So if you guys don't know, I haven't tried a lot of fruits. This is one fruit I have been dying to try. Completely dying. I'm at my mom's birthday today. This is the snacks and the appetizers. There are some fruits down there. And if you see, right here, we have some yellow dragon fruit. This is what I've been missing in my life. So today, obviously, we're gonna try it. Rubber dragon fruit. We did it standing up. Oh, so I've heard this is like supposed to be sweet. So just bite into it like an orange. Okay, I'm scared. It tastes like a low sugar version of a kiwi. That's why I can give you it. It tastes like a low sugar version of a kiwi. Dang. That is really good. If you don't see, it has these really cool, can't see it, has these really cool spiral designs in it. This is really good. This is 9.5 out of 10. It would be a 10 out of 10. It's kind of flavorless. But dragon fruit, very good.